This video is about accessing and installing the data analysis tool for Excel 2007. Now, before we go into exactly how to do that, let's talk about four major differences between Excel 2007 and versions that came before 2007. There's four main differences. One is installing the data analysis tool, which is what this video is about. The next is about creating regression charts, and that difference is so big I'm going to recreate a video for this version, 2007 of Excel. Two other differences between earlier versions and this version, however: accessing the data analysis tool once it's installed, and formatting the results of the data analysis after you've conducted one. Those differences, I will show you the difference between the 2007 and the earlier versions. And when you watch an earlier version of a video on how to do it on an earlier version, you're going to have to adjust it so that you will use the method that works on yours. Let's take a look at that. In earlier versions, to access data analysis, you would first click on the tools, and then you would click on data analysis. However, on your version, instead of clicking on tools first and then clicking on data analysis, what you will do is you will click on the data tab, and then you will look for the analysis group and click on data analysis. So whenever the videos tell you to click on tools and then data analysis, instead you will click on data, then data analysis. Once you've done this, whether you do it on the older version or the 2007, you'll be led to the same dialog box, which is the data analysis dialog box. And that works exactly the same no matter what version of Excel you're using. All right, the other difference between 2007 and the earlier versions is that in the earlier versions, you would first go to Format, then you would go to Column, and then you would go to Auto-Fit Selection. Now, on your version, the 2007 version, instead, you will click on the Home tab, then you will click on Format in the Cells group. You'll click on Format, you'll go down to where it says Auto-Fit Column Width, and click on that. And once you've done that, you can watch the old videos and know exactly how to do everything. It'll walk you through all the hypothesis testing procedures. And so you should watch the old videos, but realize that two differences are: when you want to access it, you'll go to Data and then Data Analysis. And when you format the results, instead of going Format, Column, Auto-Fit Selection, you'll go to Home and then to Format and then Auto-Fit Column Width. And that's all there is to it. Now, before we try and install the data analysis tool, you should look and see if it's there. Remember, to see if it's there, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Home, on the Data tab, and then you'll go over to the Analysis group and click on Data, and you'll look and see if there's an Analysis group, and if there is, you'll see if there's Data Analysis there. If it's there, you're done. Stop this video. You don't need to install it. If you don't have the analysis group, or if you have the analysis group but don't have data analysis in it, here's how we install it. You click on the little round Microsoft button, the round button that has a Microsoft flag in it, and that should bring up something that looks like what's on the screen here, a dialog box, and in the bottom right hand corner you should see where it says Exit Excel, but to the left of that you should see Excel Options. You click on Excel Options right here to a new dialog box. And in the left-hand corner of the dialog box, you look for something that says add-ins. Now, if you don't have add-ins, or if you don't even have the Excel options box, that means that you have a starter version of Excel, and you need to not use this Excel set of Excel videos. You need to use the Excel videos for the Mac or for the Open Office or for starter versions. So if you have this add-ins, then once you click on the side, the dialog box should change this way. Then all you do is you go down to where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, and if it doesn't say Manage Excel Excel Add-ins, you should click on the down arrow and pick Excel Add-ins. Once you've done that, you click on the Go button right here. Click on that Go button, and that should take you to something that looks like this. And you have some choices here. One choice should be Analysis Toolpak, and another one will be Analysis Toolpak VBA. We only want the Analysis Toolpak one. So you click in the rectangle that's to the left of Analysis Toolpak, and it should put a check mark like this on it. Once that check mark is there, the next thing to do, click on your OK button right there. Click on OK, go get a cup of coffee, give it time to install, and when it's done installing, you should see Data Analysis in the Analysis group under the Data tab. Once that's there, you'll probably never have to install Data Analysis again, at least not on this computer. If you use several computers, you'll have to install it separately for each one. Thank you very much.